Question number 12. The circle is given. The positive coordinate, the circle means the positive coordinate axis at A0 and 0B. So x plus 5 square plus y plus 2 square equal 125. So A0 and 0B. So when you put y value is 0, this is still we get a quadratic equation. Then we have to reject one. There will be two answers. We have reject one. Same to the 0 OB as well. So we'll work on and see which axis this one. Y equals 0 mean which axis? X axis. At x axis y equal 0. Then we'll take x equal a. Then a plus 5 square plus 0 plus 2 square equal 125. I took x equal a because x value is given as a. This is going to be a plus 5 square equal plus 2 square equal 125. A plus 5 square equal 125 minus 4, 121. I'm going to, it's not, can see that if I take a square root, it's going to be 121. So it's not a good answer. So then I will thought about expanding. So this is 10a plus 25 equal 121. So ax square plus 10a minus 96, 94. Minus 96 equal 0. This is a plus 16 times a minus 6 equals 0. A equal minus 16 or a equals 6. Now it will say they are at positive axis. It means a negative can't be. Since a greater than 0, a equals 6. So this is going to be 6, 0. The same way we want to calculate the other one. X is 0 at which axis? This is y axis. At y axis x equals 0. And let's take y equal b. Y value is b. Then 0 plus 5 square plus b plus 2 square equal 125. 25 plus b plus 2 square equal 125. B plus 2 equal 100. When I take to other side, b plus 2 equal plus or minus 10. When I take a square root, so b plus 2 equal, hence b equal minus 2 plus or minus 10. So first answer is minus 2 plus 10 and the other answer is minus 2 minus 10. B equal minus 12 or b equal minus 2 plus 10. So as b greater than 0, b equal 8. So now this is 0, 8. Now we want to find the equation of AB. ABC line. So we need 2 points of a gradient. And now we have 2 points. First of all, I will get the gradient. Y1 minus Y2, 0 minus 8, divided by x1 minus x2, minus 8 over x minus 4 over 3. So y equal minus 4 over 3 x plus c. From the equation y equal mx plus c. Now c is the y-intercept. I can see that this going to 0, 8, which is y-intercept. I don't need to work out anything. Since curve go through or line so 0, 8, y-intercept, which is c, is 8. Hence y equal minus 4 over 3x plus 8. So this is the equation of 8. Now the last part, find the area of triangle OAB. So this is going to be B, this is A, and this is 0, 0. And we know this is going to be 6, 0. It means this distance 6, this is 90 degrees. This height is 8, this is 0, 8. Then area of triangle ABC equal half a base times height. Half a base means 6 and height means 8. So this is going to be 24 units square. Question number 13. Center is given PQ and radius R is 25. There are 2 points on this circle. We want to find the PQ center. When you look at this two coordinates, you can see that y value is 0. It means it should be on the x-axis. And you can see also minus 7 and plus 7. It means y-axis is going to be the symmetric line. The circle is going through like this. Now I can see that this y-axis is going to be the perpendicular bisector. Now center should be somewhere here. Center equation is PQ. Because we know now in y-axis equation is x equals 0. It means this P has to be what? 0. Now we know that P value is 0. Now we need to find Q. Another data is given R equal 25. Now this is 25. This height is Q. This length is 7. Now from Pythagoras Theorem, will write this is ABC. From Pythagoras Theorem, BC square equal, in other way, AC square plus AB square equal BC square. AC square equal Q square. AB means 7 square, BC square means 25 square. Q square means 25 square minus 7 square. So this is going to be the, you can simplify 625 minus 49. So which is going to be 576 plus 576. So Q equal plus or minus square root 576. 576 means 24. 24. Q equal plus or minus 24. In this question given that Q is as Q greater than 0, Q has to be 24. This height is 24. Now what are the PQ? PQ is 0, 24. Now this value point center is at 0, 24. It means this height is 24. Now part B is find those 2 points coordinates. So we know still x value is 0, in x value is 0, still it is going y-axis. And radius is 25. So this is 25, 24 plus 25. So 24 plus 25 equal 49. So this is 0, 49. Now in here you have to since take up to here 24 and this is 1. This value is going to be minus 1. Basically 24 minus 25 is minus 1. So coordinates are 0, 49 and 0, minus 1. I'll work this sum differently. So center is PQ, radius is given. So what x minus p square plus y minus q square equal r mean 25 square. Now we know this is going through minus 70, 70. Since curve go through minus 7, 0, it should satisfy this one. So I'll substitute x value is minus 7 minus 5 square plus y is 0 minus q square equal 25 square. If I take minus out, okay, I'll keep as it is. Minus 7 minus p square plus q square equal 25. Now, since curve go through, okay, since curve go through 7, 0, I'll substitute here again. 7 minus p square plus y minus 0 minus q square equal 25 square. Then 7 minus p square plus q square equal 25 square. Now you can see 25 equal minus 7 minus p square plus q square. 25 equal 25 square equal 7 minus p square q square. I will make those two equal because a equal b, a equal c, hence b equal c. Hence minus c minus q square plus q square equal 7 minus p square plus q square. This is cancel out. This is minus 7 minus p square equal 7 minus p square. This is going to be 49 plus 14p plus p square. This is going to be 49 minus 14p plus p square. So this is cancel out. 49 cancel out. 14 plus 28, p equals 0. P equal 0. Now we know p value. Now from 1, from 2. 7 minus p square plus q square equals 0. So p equals 0. 7 minus 0 square plus q square equal not 0, 25 square. So 7 square equal q square minus 25 square. So q square equal 25 square minus 7 square. Now I'll rewrite here 25 square minus 7 square. This is difference of square. 25 minus 7, 25 plus 7. This is going to be 18. This is going to be 32. So this is going to be 576. So q equal square root 576 plus or minus q equal plus or minus 24. As q greater than 0, q equal 24. Now I am writing the equation of circle x minus p square y minus q square equal 25 square. Now p equals 0, it means x square. Y minus 24 square equal 25 square. Now we want to find at y-axis x equals 0. We want to find part B where the circle cut at y-axis. Y-axis x equals 0. We'll substitute here 0 square plus y minus 24 square equal 25 square. It means y minus 24 square equal 25 square. Y minus 24 equal plus or minus 25. If you are not sure, you can do like this. Take this is 625. Now you will feel when I square root this 1 to equal plus or minus 25. So then we have to y equal 24 plus or minus 25. Now we have two answers. Y equal 24 plus 25 and y equal 24 minus 25. So this is 49 and this is going to be minus 1. So 0, 49 and 0 minus 1 is the answer. This 13 sum is a good sum actually. The second method, it took reasonable time. The paper is set for a certain time period, and if you try to choose the second method, you will lose some valuable times, and then you may stuck because you will not get enough time to work another sum. So if you look at smartly, then it is easy. So that's how usually paper is set up, because in the exam, let's say if 200,000 students write, so some students pick up part A method, other student B method. So as a result, lot of percentage will is 200,000 divided into 2. So that's how the the filtering works, because we want to find the A star student. A star means a smart student, right? So this question number 13 is a good sum to filter that. If you look at naturally, and if you give, so this is minus 7 0 and 7 0, so and this is bisector, so you get v equals 0, and from the Pythagoras q equal 24. It is very simple. So we have to careful when you choose a method in the exam. But before I start 14, regarding 13, but work out all the ways, all the methods, because when you are learning, you will be able to work out to get the answers work in any method, and it will improve your skills and competency, confidence. Uh, because of that, don't stay with a single method. Work all the methods. Sometimes, in some cases, you have to use a combination of this one, the short method and some other method. It's a combination. Then you should good at all the ways, all the methods. Question number 14. Circle is 5 1. Center is 5 1. This is the tangent. I will take this point is 3 7. Minus 3 minus 7. So we want to find the equation of the tangent to the circle. Now from here you will notice that this minus 3 7 is on the circle, as well as this minus 3 7 on the line as well. So those are the two data you want to get. Now since you know the right, now you write the equation of this line, tangent line. You have a point now. So you need a gradient, no other point. It's not possible to get a point, but we can get a gradient. So if we know the gradient of this one, then it has to be with the perpendicular gradient. So if I write AB, gradient of AB is y1 minus y2, 11 minus minus 7, x1 minus x2, 5 minus minus a. So this is 18, this is going to be 8, and this is going to be 9 over 4. Sorry, this is my writing is not good. 5 and 1, This is not 11. This is 1 minus minus 7. This is 8. It means 8 divided by is 1. Now, if I take L gradient, this is L line. So, gradient of L times gradient of AB is minus 1 as AB perpendicular to L. Then ML is 1. This is AB. Sorry. ML times MAB is 1 times minus 1. So ML is minus 1. Now I have the equation gradient. ML is minus 1. It means now I can write the equation of this one. Y minus y1 n times x minus x1. Y minus y1 mean minus 7. M mean minus 1 times x minus minus 3. So y plus 7 equal minus x. This is going to be plus 3 multiplied by minus minus. So y equal minus x minus 10. Question number 15. AB is a line segment is a chord, so circle. Center is 2 minus 1. Yeah, AB and A and B 3 7 minus 5 3. AC is a diameter. This is C is a diameter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, let's work out. Since AC is a diameter, C is the center. If I take this point is AB, I can find the midpoint. Find AB. A plus 3, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is what? 2 minus 1. Hence, a plus 2 divided by 2 equal x values minus 2. And b plus 7 over 2 equal minus 1. So from here, a plus 3 equal 4, a equal 4 minus 3 equal 1. This is 1. And this is going to be b plus 7 equal minus 2, b equal minus 9. So this is minus 9. Now, from the circle theorem, this is 90 degrees. Angle subtended by diameter at the circumference is 90 degrees. Okay, now this is a right angle triangle. Hence, area is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is half a base AB times BC. Now we want to find what is AB and BC. So AB equal x1 minus x2, 3 minus minus 5 square plus y1 minus y2 square root. So this is going to be 8 square plus 2 square. 7 minus 3, 4. 64 plus 16 square root 80. Now BC. 1 minus 5 square plus 9 minus 9 minus 3 square root. This is 1 plus 5, 6 square. This is 12 square root. 36 plus 144, which is going to be 180. Now, half AB mean is square root 80, BC mean is square root 180. Now we have to simplify this one. Now, half, I see 10 is, I can drag 10 out from here. 80 I can write is square root 8 times square root 8. 10 times 8, 80. This one is square root 10 times square root 18. Now half square root 10 times square root 10 is 10. Now I have square root 8 and square root 18 in hand. Now 2 half, this is 5. I can write square root 8 as square root 4, 4 times 2 times 18. So this is 5 times the square root 4 times the square root 2 times square root 18, means 5 times 2 square root 4. Now this is going to be, I'll put inside, this is going to be 18 times 2, 36. So 5 times 2, 36 means 6. So then 6 times 2, 12, 12 times 5, 60. 60 unit square. Question number 16. You can see that those two equations, this is y equal mx plus m1x plus c. This is also this is y equal m2x plus c. You can see that this is y-axis. This is 0, 12. Both have same y-intercept. Now, instead of those two, we will consider one equation. Y equal mx plus 12. C value we know. Now we'll work with to find those 2 points. We have to solve those 2 equations simultaneously. And since those are touching, we can apply the requirement to touch. Now, how many datas are given? 0, 12. C is given. We apply this one. Then the circle is given. So also that this is tangent line, so we want to use that requirement. If we missed any information, we can't make this sum. If we miss any given data, then we can't make this sum. So I make sure that I grab all the data. I grab C is 12, and I grab tangent because it has to be b square minus 4 is equal 0. And yes, that's all. Now we can work out. Now we solve simultaneously those two equations. Y equal mx plus 12 and this one. X minus 6 square plus y mean mx plus 12 minus y square equals 17. X minus 6 square, this is going to be mx plus 7 square 17. It means x square minus 12x plus 36 m square x square plus 2 times 7 14 mx plus 7 square mean 49 equal 17. This is x square m square 1 plus m square x square. I factorize with x square. Now how many x terms? 2 x terms. This is the positive one. I will write that one first. 14m minus 12 x, and now 36 plus 49, 36 plus 49 minus 17 when I bring to this side. So this is going to be 68 equals 0. Now b square minus 4ac has to be 0 as line tangents. What is b mean? This is 14m minus 12x square minus 4 times a is 1 plus m square and c is 68 equals 0. Now I can see this is 14. I can take 2 out. So when I take 2 out, it's going to be 4. 4 7m minus 6 square minus 4 times 68 1 plus m square equals 4. So now 14m minus 12 square. So I'll take 2 out. This is going to be 7m minus 6. Now this is going to be 2 square plus 7m minus 6 square. 2 square means 4, 7m minus 6 square. Now 4 to 4 cancel out. I divide by 4. Then this 4 to 4 and this also 0 divided by 4 is 4. So now remaining 7m minus 6 square minus 68 1 plus m square equals 0. So this is going to be 49m square minus 7 times 6 32, 42 84 m plus 36 minus 68 m square equal 0. So from here it is going to be minus 19 m square. This is going to be 84 m. This is going to be plus 36 minus 68. 8 this is the 32 minus 32 equal 0. So multiply by minus 19m square plus 84m plus 32 equal 0. Now you can bracket out. This is going to be 19m plus 8 and m plus 4 equal 0. Hence 19m plus 8 equals 0 or m plus 4 equals 0. Hence m equal 8 over 19 or m equal minus 4. Now we can write two equation y equal 2 m's. One is 8 over 19x, other one equal 4x plus 12. So y equal 8 over 19x plus 12 and y equal 4x plus minus, this is minus 4, minus 4x plus 12.